Red wine is often associated with a healthy lifestyle. You want to know why? Well, relax. Let's uncork the bottle on the surprising health benefits of this beloved beverage. First, let's delve into the heart of the matter. Red wine, in moderation, can be a heart-healthy choice. It's rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, which can help prevent damage to blood vessels, reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, and prevent blood clots. But that's not all. Red wine is also packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants, that can help lower the risk of heart disease. Flavonoids work by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function, helping your heart beat a healthy rhythm. Next on the menu, we have the potential for red wine to improve cognitive health. Some studies suggest that moderate consumption of red wine could slow down cognitive decline. This is because the polyphenols in wine, especially resveratrol, can improve brain health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Now, wouldn't it be nice if red wine could help keep your teeth in check too? Believe it or not, it might. The polyphenols found in red wine are believed to protect your teeth by fighting harmful bacteria in your mouth. And for those watching their waistline, there's good news. Moderate red wine consumption can be part of a balanced diet. The resveratrol in red wine might even help protect against obesity and diabetes by improving sensitivity to insulin. Lastly, let's not forget the psychological benefits. Enjoying a glass of red wine can be a great way to relax and de-stress. It can also be a social lubricant, helping you to connect with others during meals or gatherings. Now, before we wrap this up, it's important to note that moderation is key. Drinking too much red wine can have detrimental effects on your health, so it's recommended to stick to 1 or 2 glasses a day. So, what have we learned today? Red wine, when consumed in moderation, can be a heart-healthy choice, potentially improve cognitive health, protect your teeth, aid in weight management, and even provide psychological benefits. It seems that this rich, ruby liquid may indeed be a toast to good health. Remember though, while red wine does offer several health benefits, it's not a replacement for a balanced diet and regular exercise. It's just one part of a lifestyle that prioritizes wellness. So here's to the surprising health benefits of red wine. Who knew that something so delightful could also be beneficial? Enjoy your next glass, knowing that in moderation you're making a choice that's not just enjoyable, but potentially good for your health too. Cheers.